So, Betsy's on a trailer. No problems with her all day. Didn't have to use the jump pack. No problem, right? I stop at a convenience store and I go in 5 minutes, come out, she won't start. Jump pack doesn't work. Drains the jump pack almost immediately. Hooked it up to a truck. That didn't even kick her over. Had a rough week. Had a great day riding. No problems till it was time to come home. I'm tired. Very, very tired. And I have to tear down my motorcycle tomorrow to figure out why. Why? It just suddenly decided it wasn't gonna start. I'm tired.